Okay folks, so the brand new Evosid crankset has just arrived. Comes with a 3953 one piece chainring, so no bolts or nothing. All of this was crafted from one piece of aluminium, and this is very light indeed. So here are the cranks. Cranks come well packaged, and you can see here the non-dry side crank has this little alignment thing here. That's the non-dry side, and then this is the drive side crank here. Yeah, there you go. So comes with a little bottom bracket as well, a little Evosid Holotech bottom bracket there, and yeah, we're gonna stick this bad boy on the turn verge folding bike. Replace that thing. 1x crankset FSA Verso square taper with this setup. So this should be much lighter, and yeah, I'll stick that on the bike and we'll see how long it lasts. I'll do another video about the ride quality and the change in weight and so on, but yeah, stay tuned folks. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the updates. Really keen to see how this performs and the longevity of it and so on. So yeah, stay tuned for more. Alright, see you in the next video.